Hey everyone, Bryer here with Key Aviation, and today we've got a quick video on how to upload drone logs and app logs of your XAG P150 MAX. So the first tip I have is if you have any kind of issue that is either A, really annoying to you, or B, a major safety concern with the drone, or you're wondering why this happened, take out your phone and take a picture. That way we have an exact timestamp of when it happened, and it allows us to go back to that exact time that you took the picture to see what was happening. So opening up our controller here, the drone does need to be online for this to happen. We'll click on the farmer on the top right, click on our device, click on the drone, device log. Now we'll select the logs we want to upload, and say today at 12 o'clock or 12:15 we had a drone go down for some reason and we want to know why. So we'll select 1200 to 1300, start sync, and you should be able to do multiple of these at a time, but I've found a lot better luck with doing them all one at a time. After we've selected that one and it's downloaded, we'll select the next of an hour after or an hour before, or as well as an hour before, which we'll just try to do two of them at once here. It loads, and eventually we'll go through and say logs uploading. All right, and we don't only need the logs from the drone, we also need the logs from the controller. So if we swipe down from the top, open up our settings, scroll all the way down to more, and then scroll down to upload log. Now these ones are in a little bit different format, but basically it's the date on the left and then our hours and minutes on the right, or hours, minutes, seconds. So we had our crash at say 12:30. We'll upload the 12:30 log and the next couple around it. You can do up to 5 at a time here. And we'd click upload. It'll say the current log file is large. I'd recommend some good internet for this. And click upload, but you can see this one here is going pretty quickly, and those will upload to the cloud. Then you'll send us your serial number and your account information, and we'll be able to go in and look at these logs and see what was really going on with the drone. But that's about it. If you have any questions about this process or are having an issue that you would like us to take a look at or us to send to the engineers at XAG, our contact information will be down in the description. If you have any more questions, please let us know. Thanks.